Preservation of egg. Egg that starts to deteriorate in the interior quality as soon as it is laid, and quality of egg and their stability during storage, it is largely determined by their physical structure and chemical composition, such as shell color, shell texture, and yolk quality. So yolk of fresh egg, it is round, firm, and yellow in color. And fresh egg, it has thick, slightly cloudy, and slightly greenish yellow color albumin. And usually egg shape, it is spherical with one broader and one comparatively narrower end. So there are some methods which are used to prevent them from deterioration. Now we'll see what are the different methods of preservation of egg. So first is washing of eggs. Only dirty eggs, they are washed with water. And water temperature, it should be between 110 to 120 Fahrenheit. That is for 3 minutes. And then water, it should be changed after each batch washing. And then ultrasonics, they are also used for eggs as cleaning agent. Now thermostabilization. So this involves immersing the eggs in hot water, and different time temperature combinations they are used. So immersing the eggs in hot water, that is 100 degrees Celsius, for 5 seconds, it is known as flash heat treatment. And thermostabilization, it helps in stabilizing the albumin quality, and albumin immediately next to shell gets coagulated by heat treatment and forms a fine peripheral film of albumin. And thermostabilized eggs, they can be stored at room temperature for 3 to 4 weeks, but it is very time consuming and expensive method, and it requires instrument to control heat. So if temperature it is not controlled properly, it may result in cooked eggs. Now cold storages. So for short term storage up to 2 to 3 weeks, eggs they are usually stored at 4 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 60 to 70%. Even the eggs they can be stored at 15 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 70 to 80% for short term storage. And to facilitate heat loss from the eggs, proper air circulation it is important in storage room. Now for long time storage at a temperature of minus 1.1 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 85 to 90%, it is sufficient. But eggs and shell, they should not be kept in the freezer. Next is lime water. So slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide or caustic lime. It is also mixed with cold water to make saturated lime water solution. And eggs, they are submerged in this solution for 14 to 16 hours. So lime water treated eggs, they can be stored for 3 to 4 weeks at room temperature. We also use irradiation to preserve the egg quality, but it is very expensive and not much applicable. Now pasteurization of eggs. So generally pasteurization is done for preservation of yolk or whole egg content. And shell eggs, they are also pasteurized by immersing in hot water for a specific time, like 64 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes and 62 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. So this treatment it is done to destroy the egg spoiling microorganism, and temperature and time they should be maintained very carefully, otherwise it may result into cloudy albumin. And then we have water glass treatment. So water glass it refers to a solution of 10% sodium silicate, and it seals the shell pores of the eggs without hampering the egg quality. Cold solution it is used for dipping the eggs, and water glass treated eggs they can be stored at room temperature. Then oil coating. It involves use of oil which seals the pores of the shell and thus prevent escape of moisture and CO2 from the egg content. Generally, lightweight, colorless, odorless mineral oil is used for this purpose, and eggs they are either dipped or sprayed. Oil temperature it should be between 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, and oil it should be of food grade, and egg surface it should be dried completely before boiling. Oil treated eggs they can be stored up to 3 weeks at room temperature. But this method it may result in oil shine of the egg and cloudy albumin as carbon dioxide cannot escape from the egg. So this was all about how to preserve egg. That's it.